Kia ora, here's question 3D from last year's Calculus Level 3 differentiation paper. It's a really short question, and it's one where you have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve. And the curve is a product of two functions of x. We have to find the equation at the point where x is equal to e. So let's start by finding the gradient. So dy by dx is going to equal x squared times 1 over x plus the other way around. The derivative of x squared is 2x ln x. So if we clean that up, we get x plus 2x ln x, and we want to evaluate that where x equals e. So that gives us e plus 2e times the natural log of e, and this is just 1. So that gives me e plus 2e, which is 3e. So that's my gradient. To find the equation of the tangent, the easiest way to do it is to use this. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So we've found the gradient. Now we need to find x1 and y1. And x is equal to e. So that's easy. That's my x1 value. Now I have to shove this into x squared log x. So y is equal to e squared log of e, which is just e squared. So we have y minus e squared is equal to 3e times x minus e. Right, we're going to expand some things and collect up like terms. So we get 3e x minus 3e squared, giving me the final version of my line in mx plus c form as 3ex. I've got a minus e squared here and minus 3 of them here, so that's going to be minus 2e squared. So that's the lovely exact values way to write that equation. If you want to do a decimal abomination, you can grab your calculator and figure out these numbers here and get approximate answers. Make sure if you do that you don't round too hard. I'd leave at least 3 decimal places for each one. But the nicest way to write that answer is like that. Now, one last thing. You don't have to use this equation to do it. You could go directly to this. Y equals mx plus c, and then you'd go y is equal to 3e to the x plus c, and you'd substitute in your x, y values, which we've already got. So that's e and e squared. So to solve for c, this is what we'd do. We'd go e squared is equal to 3e times e plus c. So that's actually faster in this case, right? We've got e squared is equal to 3e squared plus c. So c is equal to negative 2e squared. Lots of students like this version, but lots of other students like the other one. So it's really up to you. And it's a good idea to make sure you can do both of those. So in this case, we get 3ex minus 2e squared, whichever way we do that. All right, so that's another really short little video, just a straightforward differentiation question. Finding the equation of the tangent comes up over and over again.